What does it actually take to grow a big business? Do you have to get out there and post 50 videos a day on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter? Or does it take each sales rep having to make thousands of cold calls a day? And what kind of monster infrastructure do you need to support all of that? In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtains and show you exactly one aspect for us of a large-scale marketing over here at Instantly. I'm going to just show you one of our many campaigns we have going, and we're going to just go over the data, what the infrastructure is going to look like, and what you can do to duplicate this. This is a campaign we've been having run for the last 5.5 months, and we've almost reached out to 50,000 people. Now, this is over a 5-month period. We stopped halfway through April, you can see here. That's about 10,000 people a month we're reaching out to. And over here, under the reply rate, you can see that we have a 3.5% response rate. So now of those 1,748 responses, we have 560 people who are actually interested. Now, we're not pushing for them to get on a call with us. We're actually pushing for them to go to a webinar. So it's a little different for every business and your approach. Let's just think about the infrastructure here for a second. For 10,000 people a month, we recommend that you only reach out to up to 30 emails a day from an inbox. Within a month, let's just assume there's 4 weeks and 5 working business days per week. So let's divide 10,000 divided by 20. That's 500 emails a day. So if we're going to assume that you're only doing the absolute maximum, we're going to divide that 500 by 30. So you can see here that for us to accomplish this campaign, we only had to have 17 inboxes running. Now, we recommend you only have 3 per domain. So that means we're going to have 5.5, which means 6 domains. So we have 6 domains, 17 inboxes, and we're able to reach out to 10,000 people a month using that infrastructure. Now, of these 560 people, let's divide that by 5 for the 5 months. So that's 112 people per month, and let's divide that by 4. We're getting 28 potential opportunities per week of people who are expressing interest in our product and wanting to learn more and go to the next stage. This is just the beginning of a sales cycle. Now, the higher the response rate, the more opportunities you have for converting clients. So in this situation, instead of seeing 560 people that we directed to our webinar, think about it like this was 560 people that we booked calls with. If you were having 10 to 12 sales calls a week, how would that impact your business? So the next component that I want to talk to you about our campaign is how do we get leads? There are many different methods out there to get leads. You can go to Google Maps and scrape all the business's information either from their website or have a Python script running. You can go to data providers. You can go to public directories. What I want to show you is just how we build our database is actually using our own tool. So on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you have the lead finder. And under here, you can type in titles and geography, the industry that you're targeting. It could be software, computer security. We use this because once we've curated the list that we want, all we do is come over here, we select all the results, and we add them to a campaign, and it just instantly moves them over. There's a lot of different aspects here that you can use as well. You can use domains to reverse engineer contacts names. So say you have 1,000 URLs that you have in your database and you want to find the CEOs of all of them. On our lead finder, you can upload all those domains and search for the CEOs of those domains. Making sure that you're using a provider that is using AI to give you good, valid, verified leads is a massive component of your outbound when it comes to cold email. Now, when it comes to doing larger scale outreach, another component people need to think about is your target audience at that amount? Like if you're only targeting the ex-presidents of the United States, that's not a very large pool of people you can be reaching out to. But if you're reaching out to everyone who has taken political science in college, you have a much larger pool. The next component is inbox management. We have someone dedicated to managing our inbox to make sure we're quickly responding and converting people to our business. Now, if you are unable to closely monitor your inbox, a feature that we have, if you come under your profile and click on settings, under preferences here, there is an AI inbox manager. And what this will do, it will within 5 minutes respond to positive responses you have. It will push to get them on a call. So if you can't afford having someone watching your inbox or you don't have the time personally to do it, this is a great component to use because it will take care of that and maintain your inbox. It's important too when managing an inbox to be very quick and not waiting 5 days to respond. If you can respond within 5 to 10 minutes, that's usually best, but within the same day, hopefully you can respond if you're reaching out. Now, when it comes to cost, for running a system of this scale under yearly, if you want to reach out to 10,000 people a month, you're going to want to be doing the hyper growth package. So that's $77.06. And then if you want help with the leads, you're going to want to be doing the hyper leads. So that's $169.30. So we said earlier, 17 inboxes. We do $5 in inbox. So 5 times 17 is 85. So let's add $85 a month here. And then per domain, that's a yearly cost. But let's just say 6 domains. We charge $15 a domain. And so if you needed 6 domains, that's $90 for a year. We'll divide that by 12 just to break it up into a monthly cost. So that's $7.5. So you're looking at a monthly cost at the minimum just to do 10,000 people a month, $340. Let's say you get a campaign running just like ours where it's 3.5% response rate and 560 opportunities a month. Let's divide that $339 a month by 112. That's how many opportunities we were getting a month. So for $3 per lead a month, that's what we are getting just off one campaign. And we're running many campaigns. So for like a roofing company who does commercial roofing, one job can profit someone $80,000 to $100,000 easy. So spending $3 on a lead is nothing. This is why we heavily support doing cold emailing ourselves. It's super easy. It's really not hard to set up, especially if you use all of our services because it's all centralized in one location. This is exactly what large scale marketing looks like with cold email. So if you want to use this platform instantly, click the link in the description and go to instantly.ai. Also, if you want, click on this video to watch instantly.ai's tutorial to see how this company sets up their cold email infrastructure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.